Hey, this is Dennis. I thought I would go over a targeting tool for investors and wholesalers looking for a tool to target 35% equity homes, non-owner occupied, distressed properties. The name of it, Investor Title Toolbox. I'm going to show you how to target single family residential SFR for 3 cents per lead. I will show you how to make a list. I will show you how to make a net sheet, also how to make a print copy of a profile. I will give you some ideas on how investors, wholesalers use the list to get inventory. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. First of all, this is your dashboard that you're looking at now. My name is right here. If you had an account, your name would be here. You get a login, you get a password, you log in, you have 3 tabs here. The first tab here, property search. Second tab here, farming search. Third tab here, statistics. Now the first tab here, this is the property search. Come all the way over here, statistics. You won't use that a whole lot, but it's statistics for subdivisions, for tracts of homes. What an investor or wholesaler is going to do, they're going to use this farming tab right here. I'll go ahead and click on that. We'll go ahead right now. We're going to do a boundary search. I'll just start typing. Arlington, Texas. It populates right there. I just have to click on it. Comes up. Okay, with this tool, I come here. I make a boundary. I pinpoint an area. What I'm going to do with this program, I am going to ask it for 35% equity or more in this shape. Also, I'm going to ask it for non-owner occupied. And then I hit next. First of all, I come here to the General tab. We're in Texas, Tarrant County. Right here where it says owner occupied, I click no. My property, I come here, just ask it for SFR. Now right here, I can ask it for commercial property. I can ask it for a marina, a golf course, lots, vacant lots. I just want SFR. Next, I'm going to target by equity. I'm going to filter it by equity. Mortgage information right here. We're going to come down here, loan to value, between 0 meaning free and clear, 65 meaning there's 35% equity in that subdivision that I targeted. Down here at the bottom, you have the red X's. I've got boundary, loan to value, Tarrant, owner occupied no, SFR. I click get count. The tool is now targeting in that subdivision. So right here, I've got 191 properties found. Every one of those properties has 35% equity. The owner does not live at the property, and they're in my target area in Arlington. Let's take a look at them. Okay, here's my list of properties. There's 191 total. This is the money list. 35% equity or more. Non-owner occupied. Targeted in the area that I want. I can pull any of these up and I can find out their mortgage. I can find out if they have a first. I can find out if they have a second mortgage, what they owe, even the rate. Let's look for one here. This is real live data. Okay, I've got one right here. 515 Gay in Arlington. There's a first mortgage. Omni American Bank. Okay, here's my target property, 515 Gay. Let's take a look at it. Bank is Omni American Bank. They owe 58,050. That's the first loan. Right here is the property value, the AVM, that's 153. Let's take a look at this property. Click on detailed view. On the left here, I've got a dot. This is real live data. On the right here, I've got the Google Maps view. Now what you can do with this program, you can drive for dollars without even getting in your car. There's some tabs up here. You can go through all these tabs here. We've got general, owner, location, tax, property, sales, finance, foreclosure. Let's go ahead and do a net sheet on this property. What I can do with this net sheet, I can come down here where it says estimated home repairs, and I can change that. Here we've got the brokerage fees, tax proration. I print this out. I send it to my investor, my cash buyer. Next, I'll show you how to make an AVM. You come here. This is the property profile. I can go ahead and print this out. This is the AVM. It stands for Automated Value Model. It's going to give you an approximate value of the property. You can print this out. Here's the map. Median price, 73. High price, 87,452. Low price, 72. Here's some of the details of the property. Now this is very simple to print or even email. If you have 10 of these, you could easily email these over to your cash buyers, your investors. I've got a couple different choices here. AVM, single page profile, property profile with school demographic data. A few other choices in here. So what many investors are doing is they're setting up small call centers. Investor Title Toolbox, this company traces the phone numbers for 5 cents per lead. What the investors do is they get a hold of the owners, set up a presentation, they make a deal, then leave a clause in the contract so it's assignable over to an investor. Then perform a double closing, assigning the property to the investor to do all the work and buy the property to flip it. This is what a wholesaler does with this program. I hope that all makes sense. I hope that gives you some good ideas. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and ring the bell. I hope that makes sense what a wholesaler does with this program. It targets for about 3 cents per lead. Investor's Title Toolbox. $9.95 for the full year subscription over 12 months time. On the cost, it's about $83 per month. The export limit is $2,500 per month max. So if you do the math, you take the $83, you divide it by the $2,500, comes out to 3 cents per lead. I hope that all makes sense. Go ahead and leave some comments. I will leave my email in the description. Let me know if you have some interest with the promo.